Hey guys, welcome to another Unity 5 tutorial. Today is going to be playing a video just on top of one of your scenes. So whether you use this as an introduction to your game, a splash screen. So when you're in Unity, I've got Unity 2017.3 here, and this was available Unity 5. Now I've got a little video down here, and it's just my SpeedTutor intro. And you can see that when I play it there, you can see in the bottom corner here, just as there, it runs through. What you can do is you can right click in the scene and import new asset, and you can import yourself a video, and then with the video it'll come automatically as a video clip, and it will import the audio automatically for you. In your hierarchy, if you've created a new scene, go right click empty game object, and we could just name this intro video, something like that, and then we'll just reset the transforms by right clicking on the transform arrow and clicking reset. And now it's in our scene. What we can do is we can add a new component, and we can type in video, and then we'll get the video player component, and you'll see that you will have a source slot, and you can choose whether it's a video or you can play something via a URL, but we're going to be looking at the video clip specifically today, and it's got a video clip slot. And what we can do is we can just drag the video in there. You have similar settings that when you've got an audio source. Play on await just means as soon as we start the game it will start playing. We'll wait for the first frame suggests that it will wait for as soon as it's all loaded up, and then it will start playing as long as you can see it all. But if you untick that, you might lose the first few frames of your video because it might be stuff might be loading in the background. You can tick it to loop if you choose to do so. You can change the playback speed if you want to make it slower or faster. You can choose to make it a render texture, but we're going to do this so it's just almost in front of the main camera so we don't have any issues. So we're going to just either put it on the camera's far or near clipping plane. So what we'll do is we'll choose the camera's far plane, and then we've got to specify a camera. So we'll choose our main camera from the scene, and we'll just drag it in there, and we'll leave the alpha on 1, and it's got an audio source mode, so you can leave that on audio source. We can add to this game object audio source, and we can leave that just like that. And what we can do is we can drag the audio clip back into itself like that, and then what we can do is we can go onto the game view, and you can see that we can see this background with the skybox. So we can go back to the main camera, and we can set the background to completely black, and then set the clear flags to just a solid color, just so that we don't get any issues in the future. And sometimes you might need forward rendering for this, and what you can do is try this by then pressing play, and you will hear the audio, and you will hear the video playing in the background, and we didn't have to adjust any settings at all to make this work. And you just want to make sure that it fits a specific aspect ratio when you render out your video. So it's a really simple and easy way just to create just the video player, play the audio with an audio source, and just send it to the camera's far clipping plane. And if you need, like I say, a splash screen, an intro, a little cutscene, it's quite easy to do. So hopefully this helped you out. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.